Natural light plays a huge role in how a home feels, especially in New Orleans where architecture, charm, and indoor-outdoor living all come together. One of the most effective ways to brighten your home while enhancing its character is by installing bay windows. These timeless window designs don't just add visual appeal, they transform living spaces by welcoming in sunlight, expanding views, and creating a more open, inviting atmosphere. Why natural light matters in New Orleans homes. New Orleans homes are known for their personality, from historic residences to modern renovations. With warm weather, vibrant neighborhoods, and lush surroundings, natural light helps bring the outside beauty indoors. Bright spaces feel larger, more comfortable, and more energetic, perfect for entertaining guests or simply enjoying everyday life. Bay windows are especially well suited for New Orleans living spaces because they maximize daylight from multiple angles. Instead of a flat window that only captures light straight on, bay windows extend outward, allowing sunlight to enter throughout the day. This means brighter mornings, sun-filled afternoons, and warm evening light without relying heavily on artificial lighting. How bay windows enhance sunlight. A bay window typically features 3 panels, one large center window flanked by 2 angled side windows. This unique design captures more light than traditional window styles by increasing the glass surface area. The angled side panels bring in sunlight even when the sun isn't directly facing your home, which is especially helpful in neighborhoods with tree-lined streets or closely spaced houses. In New Orleans, where homes may have porches, overhangs, or balconies, bay windows help overcome shadows by pulling in light from different directions. This creates a naturally brighter interior, even in rooms that previously felt dim or enclosed. Creating brighter, more inviting living spaces. Bay windows work beautifully in living rooms, dining areas, and bedrooms, any space where comfort and atmosphere matter. In living rooms, they can become a focal point that fills the space with daylight while offering views of the street or garden. In dining areas, bay windows create a cheerful setting that makes meals feel more relaxed and enjoyable. Bedrooms benefit as well, offering soft, natural light that makes mornings feel less rushed and more refreshing. Many homeowners also use the extra space created by bay windows for window seats, reading nooks, or decorative displays. These features not only add function but also make the most of the natural light streaming into the room. Energy efficiency and comfort. Beyond aesthetics, bay windows can improve overall comfort when designed correctly. Modern bay windows use energy-efficient glass options that allow plenty of sunlight while reducing heat transfer. This is particularly important in New Orleans, where keeping indoor spaces cool is a priority. With the right glazing and proper installation, bay windows can brighten your home without increasing energy costs. Natural light also reduces the need for daytime lighting, which helps lower electricity usage and creates a more eco-friendly living environment. Boosting home value and curb appeal. Bay windows add dimension and architectural interest to both the interior and exterior of a home. From the street, they create a sense of depth and elegance that enhances curb appeal. Inside, they make rooms feel larger and more luxurious. For homeowners in New Orleans, this combination of beauty and functionality can significantly increase property value and buyer appeal. A smart investment for New Orleans living. Maximizing natural light with bay windows is about more than just brighter rooms. It's about improving how your home feels and functions every day. In a city known for warmth, culture, and hospitality, bay windows help create living spaces that feel open, welcoming, and full of life. Whether you're updating a historic home or enhancing a modern space, bay windows offer a stylish and practical way to bring more sunshine into your New Orleans home.